How to change passenger's name for RyanAir flights. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how you can change passenger's name for RyanAir flights. So kindly watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your RyanAir account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to this page automatically. On this page, that is on your work page, you can see the logo, RyanAir logo by the top left corner. You can see plan my bookings by the top right. You can see your booking processes here, etc. So once you can see all of this, the next step or the next option is to move to the top part of the screen where you can see my bookings and then click on it. All right, just click on it that way. Now, after clicking on it, you'll be brought to my bookings page where you would see your upcoming trips as well as your past trips. Our focus is on the upcoming trips, all right? So just select the booking whose passenger's name you would like to change. After selecting it, you'll be redirected to another page. On this page, you'll see the manage this booking option. All right, click on it, and after clicking on it, in the box displayed, select change names. All right, change the name option. All right, after clicking on this option, you can now go ahead and change the name or the names that you would like to change. And then once you're done, click on save, and then just like that, the passenger's name would be changed. It is very, very simple and easy. Ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching and do have a nice day.